Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited to announce that I am a Fabfitfun partner, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Fabfitfun spring box that I'm sure you guys have been seeing a lot of. It's been all over the internet. I've been so excited to get my box. If you guys don't know what Fabfitfun is, it is an annual subscription box where you get full-size products. I believe you get up to 9 or 10 products, and the value of the box is always like $250 or more. This box I believe is up to $350 of value, and you get it for only $50. So if you guys would like to sign up for this subscription, it is my favorite subscription. I look forward to this every season, so you guys can use my link down below that I'll have provided for you. And if you also want to save $10 off your box, you can just use my code SPRINGLOVE, which I'll leave down below as well and put right here for you guys. And that means that you get the box for only $40, which is absolutely amazing. But anyways, let's just get started and unbox this. So as you can see, I've already opened mine. I haven't opened the products. I just kind of like peeked through. I was way too excited. My box took a little bit longer than expected to come, but that's why I kind of had to snoop when I got it, and I was like looking around on the internet. I'm like, what's gonna be in my box? So anyways, let's open it up. So when you first open it up, as you can see, I kind of torn through it, so it's not gonna look that pretty, but it does come really packaged, really cute. You get this little magazine that tells you what everything that's inside of the box. So, okay, put that aside. So then you also get a $50 off coupon for HelloFresh, which also, if you guys haven't tried HelloFresh, another amazing subscription box. So that's an awesome deal. All right, so let's just get started. So I'm gonna be using this as a reference just to kind of tell you guys like how much everything is. Okay, so like I said, this box, the total value of this box is $347 to $354. So that just means you can pick out a couple of your items at the beginning of your box. Like I think you get to pick between 2 choice items, so I think that's why it ranges. But first and foremost, I've been so excited to see which clutch I got. So this is the Rachel Paley reversible clutch, and it comes in either an orangish color, a pink and blue, or like a white, blue, and red color. So this is retailed for up to $60. So right there, the first product that you get is already more than you're paying for the box. So again, it's an absolutely amazing deal. So let's see, it comes in like this little casing. Okay, so it looks like I got the orange one, which is super cute. I love these colors. Reminds me of like Mexico or something like that. So looks like this when you open it up, and it is reversible. So like I said, you can also have this like that, which is really cute. And it has a lot of room in it, it looks like. So really cute. There's a big pocket inside. So this will be really cute for the spring and summer. I'm super excited for that. And it has like this little tassel for the zipper, which is really cute. All right, so next, I believe this is an item that I picked between, you got to pick between a body butter and these collagen lip masks. So these are the KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Masks. And again, super good deal because you actually get 5 of them in here. And these are retailed for up to $24.99. So they look like this. I'm really excited to try these. I've never like plumped my lips with like a lip mask or like a lip plumper or anything besides like a lip gloss and stuff like that. So I was really excited to try these, and they come in this really cute like camo pink packaging, so that's really cute. Next I have this Briogeo Roscaro Blow Dry Perfection Heat and Cream, and it doesn't look like to me that it has how much this is on here. I'm not sure why, but this came in my box, and I actually haven't seen this in a lot of other girls' boxes, so guess I'm the lucky one. But I actually have tried this product before, and it works really good. So it's just like a heat-resistant cream on your hair before you blow dry it. So just to protect your hair from the heat. And again, like look at the sizing of this bottle and product. Like, oops. It's such a good size. Next I have the Dermalect Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. This is $18. Okay, so it's a nail base coat. So let's open this up. So it looks like that. This retails for $18. Super cute. Next, this Dove exfoliating body polish with crushed macadamia and rice milk. And this is just like a sample, which is really cool. So this isn't even one of your products, but you also get that in there. So this looks really, really like soothing, and it says it's new. So I'm excited to try that. Next, this is one of the things that I was seeing all over like YouTube and Instagram and stuff, and I was so intrigued by this. I'm like, what is that thing? So it's actually a Physique 57 massage roller, and this retails for up to $20. It says throw this in your carry-on bag when traveling to help relieve sore muscles on the go. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, when I already opened my Fabfitfun box and kind of peeked through, I was having the worst shoulder pain, and I actually was like rolling this on my shoulders, and it actually felt so good. So at first I was kind of like, why do I need that? But then it works really good, and I love this color. So you can get it in the colors purple, red, silver, or blue, or this like turquoisey color. So I thought this was really cool, and I'm really glad I got this color because I love that color. All right, so we have, it looks like 3 more products left. And next I have the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. This retails for up to $40. And I've heard of this brand before. I heard it's amazing. It says, don't forget to use this lotion on your neck and chest to get full coverage. It's a skin perfecting lotion, so that really intrigues me. Again, full-size product. See if it smells good or anything, or if it has a scent. Doesn't seem like it has a scent, which is really good because sometimes you don't need everything with a scent. I love like skin products. I think that was one of the main things that I put on my like Fabfitfun profile, is I really wanted skin products because I love trying new ones. So next we have this Ish Lip Statement Palette. This retails for up to $42. It looks like I got the darker one, and I believe there's a lighter color. So it's really, really pretty. It comes with all these nudes on top and like darker colors, and then these reds and corals on the bottom. So really cute for spring and summer. I'm excited to try these. I haven't been a huge fan of like lip palettes in the past, not because I don't like them, just because I find myself not really using them as much. But I'm excited to try this, maybe throw it in my purse just so I have like all the colors I need on the go. So that's really, really cute, and I really like their brand Ish. I like their makeup products a lot, so I'm excited. And then last but not least, we have this Free People Understood Leather Starry-Eyed Travel Eye Mask. It says this cooling pouch, oh, so it has a cooling pouch in it, so that's so cute. I want to take it out of the package and show you guys. It looks like you can get this in either pink, mint, or silver, and I got the mint color. This is so cute, and I love Free People things. It has like the stars all over it. That is so cute. I love sleep masks. I actually use them, and especially if it has like a cooling mask in it for like a spa night or anything like that. So I don't know if I said, but this retails for $40, so really excited about that. Oh, I do have one more thing I forgot about. So these are the earrings that I picked out. These are their Atika Daydreamer Tassel earrings, and they retail for $58. So I have a pair of earrings kind of like this, and I find myself wearing them all the time. So I was really excited. You get to pick a jewelry choice item in this box before your box comes in the mail, and I believe you got to pick between these, a pink color, or like a little love bracelet. I'm not too big into like really dainty jewelry. I'm more of like a statement kind of jewelry person, so I thought these would be perfect. I love them for the summer. Tassels are really in right now, so I'm really excited to try these out and wear them, and I'll post a couple of pictures if you guys want to see how to style them and everything. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is pretty much everything in the box. So amazing, amazing box. I could tell just by looking and peeking at her on social media that I was gonna love this box so much. So this is, again, the spring box. So the next box I will have for you guys is in the summer. So I'm super excited. Don't forget to use my link down below and the code SPRINGLOVE if you guys would like to try this box out. I highly, highly recommend it. All my friends have been purchasing the box as well every time they see all the cool things that I got. So I highly recommend it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.